Everyone. So I wanted to do a quick little video on how to export and basically back up your course material in D2L so that you can import it later on if perhaps we switch to a different learning management system. But this will allow you to kind of feel reassured that you have a backup copy of your courses. So first of all, I'm going to head to the course that I want to back up. So right now for summer school, I'm working in MAP 4C. Okay, now here's my home page and all that stuff. I'm going to head to edit course. Now under edit course, I'm going to go to import, export, copy components. Now for the sake of this video, I'm going to just show you how to export components, and I'll do another short video later on to show you how to import them. So I'm going to go to export components, make sure you click all course, include all course files in the export package. That just allows you to import all those little things that are attached to Dropboxes or quizzes or things like that, any external files. So go to start, and that'll start the export. Now I want to select all components. Now this is where you have the option. You don't have to. If you just want to export a specific thing to save, you know, I've created quiz packages that I've exported, so I've just exported quizzes before. But in this case, if you want to back up everything, make sure you select all components, and make sure you're exporting all items for each little section that you're exporting. You go to continue. Now this is going to just request that you confirm that you want to export these. Now just once again make sure that you include the course files in this export. So go to continue. Now this will start the export. It might take a minute or so just to put everything together, but it's going to start exporting and wrap things up into a little bit of a file. So just give that a sec. Okay, great, that's finished. So we can go ahead and click finish. Now this is a really important step. So this is where we're going to actually create the zip package that we need. So I should note that I'm working in the Mozilla Firefox. Now I would not use Safari because Safari by default automatically unpacks a zip folder. And you don't want to unpack the zip folder because when you import things back into D2L, you have to import a proper .zip file. So if you export it and unpack all the items, then it won't properly import. So make sure that you create a nice zip file. Now in Firefox, it gives me the option. Normally by default, it actually unpacks the files, but I just want to save the file because I don't want to touch the file, I don't want to unpack it, I just want to save a .zip file. So I'm just going to go to save file. This might be a little bit different in Chrome, but I would say don't use Safari. So I go to save file, okay, and this is going to create the zip folder. So I know it's in my download section. Now, as a little bit of a housekeeping option, never change the name of this file name. I tried it just to make it more relevant, so I could say, oh, this is my MAP 4C course, but it doesn't seem to import properly later on. So don't change the name of this file. But what I would do is keep things organized. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to make a copy of that zip folder. And I'm just going to put it in my my regular folder for grade 12 college. So under my math courses, I have a folder for grade 12 college. Now I have my D2L summer course. So I'm just going to create a new folder, and I'm going to call it my D2L course pack, course shell, we'll call it, for 2016. And that's the only thing I'm going to put in that shell, and I'm just going to paste it. So now that I have that and I know where it is. Okay. Now, if you're using Windows, hopefully you have a good understanding of kind of file management, and you know, you're going to go into your Explorer. It would be under your downloads, and you would go through the My Documents folder and you know, create a folder where you want to store it, and make sure that that zip folder gets stored in there. Okay, I hope that helps, and I'll create a short little video to show you how to import it.